Good morning, guys. Yeah, the time now is 5:28, and I'm going to work now. I'm very excited because I will be day off tomorrow, and yeah, I'm just going to work today, and that is going to be very quick because it will be just from 6 o'clock until 2 o'clock of work, and that is very fast. Yeah, so by 3 o'clock, I am free. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty. It's 2:45 now. I'm going home. I'm not decided yet if I am going to Sydney to watch. To see the Vivid, and I'm excited to use the gimbal that I have, the new one. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, but your worries in my pocket. Thank you. Hey guys, good morning. It is now 9:30 in the morning, and we are walking around here in Newcastle. If I am not mistaken, this is the City Hall area. The same like Sydney, Newcastle is not the best place to visit these days because of the improvements that they are doing in the city. Yeah, this time they are also doing the tramway along the city center, so you're going to see a lot of construction going on around. So we will be just walking around here until we reach the beach. Look at this building. You notice that most of the building here in this area of Newcastle, in the city center, are all like this. They are old, and they are trying to preserve that. Very quiet in this place. Yeah, there's not so much people. Even in the restaurant, there's not so much guests. Or maybe it's still early, but I think it's already around 10 o'clock. Look, there's a bike ride share there. Let's inspection. It looks like an electric bike. Biko. It's set with this thing and the helmet. Nice. At the moment I'm here in the Newcastle beach. As you can see, that's the view. And it's a brown sand. I'm actually using the gimbal, that's why it's moved like this. Very smooth. And now we are climbing up this place, going to Merewether.
So I got a camera too, and I'm looking at getting a Steadicam and stuff. How much was that?
This one is 299.
So $299.
Yeah,
And is it good?
yeah, it's good.
So, is there batteries on it? How does it? Electronic.
It's like it comes with a battery.
Okay.
Yeah,
and then you could just charge it up,
Yeah,
and it works great.
yeah, charging time is around 3 hours,
Oh,
and
really?
it's say around 12 hours of working.
Yeah. Oh, well,
Yeah.
that's pretty good then. And it works great.
Yeah,
Like it's pretty. So if you're walking with it,
yeah,
like so you
you can try.
also like follow you or something.
Well,
I don't want
I
to
mean-
let you.
So it's just recording now.
Oh, it's recording now. So here, I'll follow you.
Yeah, it's like this. So you notice that it's smooth.
Yeah, it's very smooth. And then like I could just go all around like that. See
And
that?
also this is the control for the if you want to.
Oh. Okay, so then right here.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, that's really cool. So
Going up, down also.
how is it? Wait, how does it go up? Trying to figure that out here. I'll let you hold
Also
it.
to do selfie, it's
Yeah,
possible
I
like
can hold
this.
your coffee if you want.
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, it's really cool.
This one, 1, 2, 3.
Whoa,
Yeah, nice.
that's really cool. So how long have you had that?
Just 2 weeks.
Really?
Yeah.
And it works great. Are you like a vlogger or do you like make videos?
Yeah, I make a YouTube video.
Yeah. So what do you edit your videos with? Do you use
I edit with the iMovie.
iMovie?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So it does it work good?
Yeah, it's good.
Sweet. Yeah. So I definitely want to get one of those. That's my
Yeah.
next thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll definitely check it out. Thanks, man.
Yeah, you're welcome.
See you later.
Thanks. This cup, I don't know where to put this. I don't see any garbage bin around. Yeah, that guy, he also wanted to have a gimbal like this. Wow, that's amazing view, man. So we are now here in the highest part of Newcastle. Yeah, we are now walking here in the Memorial Walk. Wow, that is very colorful. I don't know what is that. Yeah, this is a bowling center. This is like a Bermuda grass. Nice. You know, this is like my third time here in this area. Yeah. If you remember before, I went to that side. There is one, I don't know if it's a beach, but no people the last time I went there. And then maybe it's on the other side of that. If you can see that area. On the other side, I walk all the way through there. I reached this place. And then I went over to Newcastle. So this is basically the Meriwether Ocean Baths. You can see with this very clear water down here. It's a rock pool. I think this one is for the kids, for children. Yeah. And then the other one on that side is the deep one. I don't know if it's deep. I think it's deep. Yeah. I remember last time when I came here, the water of the sea is in the level of this. Yeah, this is the residential area. very much walking distance to the Merweather Beach. Merweather Beach is just that. Yeah, mate, we are now here in the Hamilton Central Station. I decided to go to Sydney this time, so later on we are going to see the Vivid Sydney. I think it's nice. Yeah, this is the train station.